this video I'm going to show how to fix the Instagram notes feature not showing on your Instagram application. So let's take a look at the Instagram notes feature. So when you open your Instagram application and you tap in the right upper part of the screen there, and then you'll see something like this, leave a note. You see that? So when you tap that, and then you'll see that please people want to be notified when you leave a note. They can they can see your note for 24 hours and reply with a message individually. So you share what's on your mind. So basically what you got to do is write something of 60 characters, and then you can be able to share with your followers, your follow back, or your close friends. You can add the people you want to share with. So basically when you do that, you just write a message like, hey, Merry Christmas, and then you select followers, you follow back, or the other way around, then you share. So when you share, you notice that in the upper part you see that there's a hey Merry Christmas part of the note I had shared. So if you want to get this feature, if it's not available for you, just do the following. Just go to Google Play Store, and basically go to Google Play Store and then do the following. So just go to Google Play Store and look for Instagram. Basically look for Instagram and make sure you run the most updated Instagram version on your phone to get this feature working. And make sure also, if that doesn't work, try clearing the cache and be sure that is solved. So let me know down in the comment section if this worked for you, and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks. See you next time.